Butterfly handheld balloon stick tutorial. A 6-finger width should be left at the tail end of the balloon. Twist a 1.5-inch loop, pinch the node, twist it, and thread it through the center of the loop bubble. Create another looping bubble of the same size. A 2-finger small single bubble is wrapped between 2 loop bubbles. The same method for a 2-finger single bubble. A 2.5-finger single bubble. 3 2-finger single bubbles. Twist a 4-finger sized single bubble. Wrap and secure. Minor tweaks to the shape. Next, twist a 4-finger single bubble. 3 2-finger single bubbles. While twisting a 2.5-finger wide single bubble, twist and lock. Finally, adjust the balloon shape and you're done.